Night Searcher introduces the new waterproof Galaxy Pro 12K Twin Portable Use Anywhere LED floodlights. Ideal for remote training locations without power. The British engineered design is durable in all weather conditions and requires no planning permission. The kit includes an aluminium tripod that has a quick release mount and can be extended from 0.96 to 3.6 meters. It takes one person a minute to set up in a safe and silent operation. No noisy generators or cables to trip over. At 12,000 lumens, the Galaxy Pro gives a wide beam with 4 different light levels and is IP65 rated. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack shows the battery status and charging indicator. Designed with safety in mind, a 4-section air-cushioned safety tripod and high-visibility tripod legs so they can be seen and not tripped over in the dark, adding to their stability and robustness. For added stability on hard surfaces or windy weather conditions, sandbags can be added. The Galaxy Pro has a tough, durable housing and features a carry handle, a 120-degree tilting head that can be folded flat for easy storage. The unique optics are specially designed to give the perfect floodlight beam with low light spill. There are a number of different equipment grants and funding available, giving you up to 80% discount. Contact our friendly sales team to discuss your lighting requirements. The Night Searcher Galaxy Pro 12K Twin, available now.